Hey folks, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to check out my BLACK+DECKER Random Orbit Sander. It's a 5-inch, 2.4 amp orbital sander. It weighs about 3 pounds and the package is 9 by 6 by 5 inches. And this particular sander has 475 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars. I like BLACK+DECKER products because they tend to have a high quality to price ratio. And I picked up this model to help finish an oak countertop, although this can remove paint and varnish quickly as well, and do a lot of other things. But BLACK+DECKER also makes a lot of other kinds of sanders, so check those out as well. The 2.4 amp motor removes paint and other materials at a speed of 12,000 orbits per minute, leaving a smooth, clean finish, swirl-free as well. It's easy to clean up. There's a built-in dust collection bag which filters out and picks up dust while the sander works. And it's got a 3-position grip which offers you a variety of angles to use the device from. Now let's check out a review from a verified purchaser, and then I'll give my thoughts on this sander. The review is called "It Works Great." My use is best described as light duty, and it has performed as advertised. I am happy with my choice. Well, short but sweet, and yeah, I would describe it as light duty as well. Grit ranging from maybe 80 to 100. And I used mine with 120 grit to smooth out some live edge oak. And I found that the BLACK+DECKER was not only quieter but more powerful than the sander that it replaced. And since the oak was pretty hard, it does burn through sandpaper a little quicker than other things. But it's no problem to replace the pad. It's just a hook and loop system, and you just take one pad off and put the next one on and you're ready to go. So all in all, I'm very happy with this sander so far. It's available on Amazon Prime, which means free shipping. Nice. So order yours today. I think you're gonna love it.